Hello everybody, my name is Victor. This is YouTube series about solving LeetCode problems. Okay, and today we're gonna solve this problem which is called letter combinations of a phone number. So let's take a look. As usual, you may pause the video here just for a second and think about this problem, and we'll continue. Okay, so we're given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, so like basically a phone, and we need to return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. So for instance, we have this number 2 and 3, we have combinations A, B, C and D, E, F. I mean, it's a mapping between 2 and 3 and the letters which correspond to each number. And here is all the combinations that we could have: A, D, A, E, A, F, B, D, and so on. So you may find different solutions to this problem. Really popular one is recursive solution, but I suggest you to take a look at the iterative solution. So that is exactly what we're gonna do in this video. And the iterative solution is based on a queue. So let's create a queue. At the first step, it has only an empty string. What do we need to do else? We need to we need to create result, and also we need to create a mapping between numbers and these characters. So 0 corresponds to nothing, 1 corresponds to nothing, 2 corresponds to A, B, C, and so on. So let's just put it here: J, K, L, M, and O, and so on. So let's check this just for a moment. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, so while we have an empty queue, I mean backward, while we have something in this queue, so let's take the first element of this queue, and if we have string with the length equals to what we need, it's one of the results, so we need to push it to the results. Otherwise, and here's the interesting part, so we need to take word from this mapping, digits as length. So basically we take a word which corresponds to these numbers. So for instance, 2 corresponds to ABC. Obviously 0 corresponds to nothing, and so on. So then we just need to walk through this word and put so we have letter, and we need to put to this queue any word. So basically on the first step we put just A, B, C, ABC, it's letters which correspond to 2. Then on the first step, actually let's take a look at the Q on each step, and I think it would be better to just take a look at the Q. So I think that's it. Then we just need to return the result. So now let's take a look at the Q. So as you can see here, we have 2, and at the first step it's just ABC. Then we take the first element from the Q, and it is A, and we push to the Q another 3 elements, which is A, D, A, E, and AF. And D, E, F, it's just what we have for 3, right? So basically it's just what we do for all possible combinations, and we need to take only those which have 2 length. So the length should be equal to 2. Yeah, so let's just run this code once again. This seems okay, so let's check for an empty string. Also, yeah, seems fine. Not exactly. Actually, if we don't have digits, let's just return an empty result right away. So what if we have 1? And actually it couldn't be. I mean, which we have digits from 2 to 9 only. Yeah, just 3, 5, 6 for instance. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, let's submit this code. Yeah, faster than 97% of JavaScript solutions. That is cool. So I think that's it. As usual, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those. Thanks for watching.